What's up? Today, we're going to learn on how to insert page numbers in MS Word without losing the header. Finals is coming up and your professor required you to put page numbers in your exam papers. So, here's how you can do it. Open your document in MS Word. In the upper part of the page of your paper is where you can see the header, and the letter is called footer. Select the drop-down right at the lower right part of the menu tabs. Then click Insert. Scroll down and click Page Number. Choose from the formats presented there and voila! It will automatically be shown on the other pages of your paper. And that's how you can add page numbers in MS Word without losing the header. Thank you for watching!